Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into website admin dashboard, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, enter the URL for the admin dashboard. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. On the login page, locate the fields for username and password. Click on the username field and enter your administrator username. Next, click on the password field. Carefully input your password associated with the admin account. Before proceeding, double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, look for the login button. Click the login button to initiate the login process. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the admin dashboard. In the event of an incorrect username or if you face any login issues, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to receive an email with reset instructions. After successfully logging in, ensure to review your dashboard carefully. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. Always remember to log out after completing your tasks for security purposes. Close the browser window after logging out to ensure secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.